Meaning of fixated.
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 Fixated. Fixated is a term used to describe a state of being obsessed or preoccupied with a particular idea, object, or activity. It is often characterized by a fixation on a single subject or topic to the point where it becomes difficult to focus on anything else. This can lead to a lack of flexibility and an inability to adapt to new situations. Fixation can also interfere with one's ability to make rational decisions or consider alternative perspectives. In summary, being fixated can result in narrow-mindedness and limitations in personal growth and development.